The topic is data for estimate and units of measurement. First of all, for preparing the estimate, some data required for estimate. To make out an estimate for a work, the following data are necessary. First is drawing. Drawing means plan, elevation, section, etc. Drawing is the must for estimate, primary requirement. Second is specifications. Specifications means quality of work, which type of work you require. Just for example, need first class work, first class brick work or second class brick. Third is rate, current rates. Now first is drawing. For dimensions, plan, sectional elevation and detailed drawings to scale, fully dimensioned are required. The plan, elevation and sectional elevation are usually drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter or 1:100 scale generally, and detailed drawings are prepared to scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter to 1 centimeter is equal to 29 centimeter in general. So for dimensions, drawing is necessary. Second data is specifications. There are two types of specifications. First is general specifications or brief specifications. These gives the nature, quality and class of work and material. Class of work means कि वो in some work first class work use first class brick work, in some type of work second class brick use. So class of work and materials in general terms to be used in the various parts of the work. General specifications help to form a general idea of the whole building or structure and are useful in preparing the detailed estimate. Now, second specification, detailed specification. These give the detailed description of the various items of work, laying down the quantities and qualities of material, their proportion, the method of preparation, workmanship, and execution of work. Detailed specification describe every item of work separately in detail and are helpful for the execution of the different items of work. Third data is required rates. The rates per unit of various items of work, the rates of various material to be used in the construction, and the wages of different categories of labor, skilled or unskilled, as mason, carpenter, mazdoor, bhishti, etc. available for preparing estimate. The location of the work and its distance from the source of material and the cost of transport should be known. These data helpful for preparing the estimate. Basic data. Now main items of work or general items of work. In general construction, there are some general work execute. First is earthwork. Earthwork in excavation measure in cubic meter. Second is concreting in foundation, PCC, plain cement concrete and foundation in base, measure in cubic meter. Next is damp proof course, DPC, for prevent moisture. Damp DPC layer in the form of plain cement concrete, bitumen, generally 2.5 centimeter fixed thickness 2.5 centimeter of DPC in the form of PCC or asphalt bitumen on the plinth level, measure in square meter. Next is masonry, brick masonry or stone masonry, brickwork or stonework, measure in cubic meter, length, width and thickness of wall. Next is RCC, reinforced cement concrete, used in column, footing, beam, slab, measure in cubic meter. And now plastering, inner wall and on outer wall, usually 12 mm thickness, fixed 12 mm thickness and calculated in square meter. These are the main items, calculate or measurement in these terms. Now units of measurement in metric system. The principle for dimension and measurement is to use millimeter. All dimensions generally in drawing prepare in millimeters. All dimensions are in mm. So principle for dimension and measurement is to use millimeters for minute dimension, centimeter for small dimension and meter for big dimensions. Distances are measured in kilometer. The dimensional units, main items of material and works for general construction work as used in metric system are as follows. Units of dimension for materials and works. Particulars of material and work, dimension, in which dimension metric system. First, bricks, stone blocks, all dimensions in centimeter. Next, wall board, glass panes, length and width in centimeter or meter and thickness is millimeter. Thickness in millimeter. Door window, etc. Height and width in centimeter or meter. Parts of door and windows as panels and shutters. Panels of door and window in centimeter or millimeter. Measure in centimeter or millimeter in metric system. Fifth is masonry, brickwork, brick masonry or stone masonry. The measurement, length and height in meters. Next, cement concrete, lime concrete, RCC flooring, reinforced cement concrete, flooring, etc. These items measure length and width in meter and thickness in centimeter. Next, whitewashing, color washing, distempering, painting, etc. Length and width or height in meter. There is no thickness. Length and width or height in meter. Aggregate, grit, sand used in concrete. Aggregate measure for various works like concrete use in concrete. Size in mm. Aggregate size measure in mm. Like 20 mm aggregate use or 10 mm aggregate use for any type of work, building and road. Next is rolled steel section as I-beam, channel angle, etc. Steel section or aluminum section. In these sections, length measure in meter and section in millimeter. Mild steel bars used in RCC, reinforced cement concrete. Mild steel bars length in meter and dia in millimeter. So these bars available in market in millimeters. The units of payment and measurement of various items of work in metric system are same except for earthwork. Earthwork is measured in cubic meter, but payment is made for percentage cubic meter, means per 100 cubic meter. Payment for only for earthwork, excavation in earthwork, payment is percentage cubic meter, means payment per 100 cubic meter, 100 cubic meter, 200 cubic meter, like this. Payment for per 100 cubic meter. The units of measurement and payment for various items of work and materials. particulars of item, these units of measurement in MKS system, unit of payment in MKS, and unit of payment in FPS system. So in payment in metric system for various works. First is earthwork. Earthwork in excavation, in ordinary soil. Earthwork in mixed soil with conker, bajri, etc. And earthwork in hard soil. So units measurements in which unit? Cubic meter. And payment in percentage cubic meter or per 100 cubic meter. In FPS system, payment in percentage cubic foot. Second is rock excavation, just like a earthwork. Rock excavation measurement in cubic meter, quantity in cubic meter, and payment in percentage cubic meter or per 100 cubic meter. Now concrete work, under this category, cement concrete, CC, plain cement concrete, measure in cubic meter and payment same per cubic meter, not 100 cubic meter. Payment for per 100 cubic meter only for earthwork in excavation and rock excavation. Cement concrete, measure cubic meter and payment per cubic meter. Second, reinforced cement concrete for RCC work, measurement in cubic meter and payment also in per cubic meter. Now DPC, damp proofing course for prevent the moisture on plinth level. A layer of mortar or concrete or bitumen is laying on plinth level. So damp proof course, cement concrete, rich cement mortar, asphalt, etc. Thickness specified 2.5 centimeter, etc. Measure in square meter and payment is also in per square meters. Per square meter payment made by per square meter. Next is brickwork. Brickwork in foundation and plinth level and in superstructure above the earth, in arches, etc. in cement, lime or mud mortar, any type of mortar, measurement in cubic meter and payment per cubic meter. Payment from per cubic meter. Stone masonry, same stone masonry, random rubble masonry or coarse rubble masonry, measurement in cubic meter and payment for per cubic meter. Woodwork like doors and windows frame or chalk rafts, beams, roofs, trusses, measurement in cubic meter and payment also in per cubic meter. Door window shutters or leaves, panel door or panels of door and window, measurement in square meter and payment for there is no measurement in not cubic meter, measurement in square meter and payment also in per square meter. Sawing of timber, measurement square meter and payment per square meter. Labor rate for sawing of timber per square meter. Steel work, rolled steel joist, channels, angles in quintals, measure in quintals and payment also per quintal or 100 kg. Quintal is equal to 100 kg. Steel reinforcement bars, in general language Sharia, in RCC or RB work, bars measure in quintals or 100 kg and payment also for per quintal. Binding of steel reinforcement, with the help of wire. So that wire measure in quintals and payment also paid also per quintal. Roofing, tiled roof, Alawat tile, Faizabad tiles, Mangalore tile, etc. Measurement in per square meter and payment also in metric system, MKS system, payment also in per square meter. Corrugated iron sheet, roof, asbestos cement sheet, measurement in square meter and payment in also per square meter. Plastering in cement mortar, lime mortar, mud, etc. Thickness proportion is specified, 12 mm thickness or 10 mm thickness, and measurement in square meter and payment also in per square meter. Flooring 2.5 centimeter CCO cement concrete over 7.5 centimeter LC floor including LC. Measure in square meter and payment in also in square meter. Now miscellaneous items like ornamental cornice projections etc. Measure in meter, running meter, and payment also in per meter. Materials, supply of bricks measure in percentage numbers or 100 numbers per 100 bricks, that, and payment in percentage number. Percentage number means per 100 bricks, rate of 100 bricks. Supply of sand, surkhi, cinders etc. Sand measure in cubic meter and payment also in per cubic meter. Supply of cement measure in per bag of cement. One bag cement is 50 kg, per bag of 50 kg, and payment also in per bag or per quintal or per ton for supply in bulk. Supply of ballast, supply of brick, ballast, stone, ballast, aggregate etc. for various purpose, for concreting, flooring, measurement in cubic meter and payment also in per cubic meter. Supply of steel in quintals, payment in per quintal or tons. Supply of bitumen for DPC, measurement in tons and supply and payment for tons. Supply of paint and ready mix material, paint etc. Measure in liters and payment also per liters. So these are the data and some measurements, system of measurements for works and materials. Thank you.